The QNAP TR-002-24ST-US is an impressive 2-bay direct-attached storage solution with a generous 4 terabyte capacity, perfect for users seeking reliable data storage. Pre-installed with Seagate IronWolf drives, this device ensures durability and efficiency, while also featuring a robust 3-year data recovery service plan for peace of mind. The high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C connection offers rapid data transfer rates, making it an excellent choice for Windows, macOS, and Linux users who need quick access to their files. With its hardware RAID capabilities, the TR-002 provides flexible storage options, supporting RAID 0, RAID 1 JBOD, and individual disk configurations. This device can seamlessly expand the storage capacity of a QNAP NAS, offering versatility as both a direct-attached storage unit and a NAS expansion option. The inclusion of lockable drive bays enhances security, ensuring that the drives remain protected while in use or during transport.